Hey, this is Rick. Welcome back to the channel. We're going to try to do a quick little short here. You own one of these touch faucets by Delta, and all of a sudden when you're touching this thing, it starts turning red automatically and it's flashing. It means your batteries are going on you. It's a pain in the ass. So what you got to do is you got to change out batteries. You keep going back and forth, back and forth. It's a vicious cycle. They keep burning up. You got company over your house and the thing doesn't want to go on or off or anything. You got to go underneath. It's got a cradle inside here. Pop this cradle out and you got to change 8 batteries on the fly, and it's a real pain in the neck, like I said. So what we're doing is we're going to get this little adapter. It's going to plug into your 110 outlet, 9-volt AC adapter. It's part number X00112460. Pop that out of the box. You can buy these refurbished if it's too expensive for you. I've seen them on eBay and on Amazon. And there you are. 110 adapter. This is going to bypass those batteries. It's going to plug right into that pack, right into the wall. And then that's going to make sure that you're always going to have power to this faucet. See, we got nothing. I took the cradle out. You do have to keep your batteries in the cradle. It's just a feature they have, but this will be your backup. Instead of going in the cradle, it goes right into that unit that goes up underneath your sink there. You're going to plug it into that and plug it right into your 110 outlet. And bam, you're ready to go. Hope that helps. Take care, everybody. Hey, please like and share this video with your family and friends. And please subscribe down there in the corner to my channel. You never know what's coming up next. Stay safe, everybody. Take care.